So loading the Storm 360, to press the plunger with your pin, feeds through the holes, make sure that is secure. Take your green gas, hold it down for a good few seconds, then it's primed, and obviously this can go off now. That should do it. You can spray this around the pin, just helps everything release. That's just gun silicone oil. And then loading. Get a speed loader on the side port. And feed all your BBs. Take up to about 165, but we'll just load it with that many for now. I have found that you will get some, you can depress them with your finger as far as you can, but you will get the odd one still. And that's it, it's primed, loaded and ready to go.